The outspoken war veteran and ZANU-PF Central Committee member, Blessed Geza, is once again shaking the political landscape with his statement, signaling a bold escalation in his defiance against President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Sanabula mashoko atinokuti panapo uri vachinzi Geza drops another bomb. Kuti vasubscribe like turn the bell icon. Tipina zviba mulwanyi konchenzi. Geza, who is imaged as one of the ruling party's most vocal internal critics, has become a thorn in Mnangagwa's side, openly challenging his leadership and questioning his grip on power. Operating under the banner of Zimbabwe Liberators Platform, Geza is consistently accused Mnangagwa of betraying the liberation struggle, mismanaging the country, and using the state apparatus to suppress dissent within the party. His latest remarks come amid deepening factionalism in ZANU-PF, the growing tensions between Mnangagwa's loyalists and those sympathetic to his deputy, VP Chiwenga. Geza and his youthful ally Comrade Nukai Mabunu have positioned themselves as voices of discontent, rallying war veterans and delusioned party members against what they described as corrupt and self-serving leadership. Speaking exclusively to ZimEye on Saturday, Geza laughed, claims that he was on the run from Mnangagwa security forces. During a 7-minute conversation with the journalist Simbachikanza, he appeared unfazed by speculations surrounding his safety. Anytime from now, I think in the next 2 days, do not be alarmed at all. We are on the top of the situation, 100%, he declared, hinting at a major development in his movement's operation. Geza has made headlines over the past year with his increasingly bold pronouncements accusing Mnangagwa of rigging internal party processes, sidelining war veterans, and presiding over a failed state. Tomashoko anobuda panapa, Geza ari kuataka achiti aiwa isusu vakomana hatisi ma-war veterans e2 cents zvokuti tingatotiza vakomana vakandorobina hiding. Anouya panapa achiti aiwa in the next 2 days vakomana don't be alarmed at all. Tuze mafunguro enyu matikudipa pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe, like, turn the bell icon.